Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at probably my favorite battery from OmniCharge, and we got to see them at CES multiple years in a row. We're very excited to showcase this new level of power, 38,400 milliamp battery. It can do 60 watt USB-C output. It can do 120 watt AC output. It can do DC output from 5 volts to 60 volts at 150 watts, and it even has a changeable removable battery. Here's some details. You can pause this video anytime to take a look at that. What's great is you can run a shower outside with this thing. It can do all kinds of power related items. So if you are in need of a backup battery, as we know that can be a problem during an emergency, this is definitely one for you to look at. Also, if you're going in the wilderness and have a drone, this can power up a drone up to 4 different charges. And it comes with a lot of accessories, and we'll get to that in just a moment. So now we'll go inside the box. We like the design of the box. It has a picture of the battery right here and the screen that's on and how it's working with different devices plugged in. What we'll do is we'll go to here with the actual battery. Okay. It's definitely a hefty battery. We'll get to that in just a moment. We'll show you what else is in the box. There we go. So some information here. Quick start guide, how everything works. Comes with a DC out port cable right here. Then a power cable to charge the unit right here. It has its own power brick for charging really fast. So here's the power brick right there. Not too bad. There's only a few items in the box. And now we'll get to the actual battery. Okay, now we'll show the battery. We'll show the battery turned on. I charged this up a little bit earlier to about halfway. So it's at 56%. You can see all the icons here. And everything is properly laid out in the quick start guide how to use this. There's 2 buttons over here for AC charging and for DC charging. But on the side here we have the DC port and the AC outlet. So you can plug pretty much anything into this port right here. And then this is for your laptop or whatever else needs DC power. And then on this side you have DC out and USB-C, USB-A as well. So you have 2 USB-A ports. Both of these are 18 watt capable, and then this is a 60 watt capable USB-C port. So you have DC out and another DC port. So all kinds of DC and USB options for this. Now what's also cool about this battery is that it has a removable option. As you can see here on the box, the battery portion from the control unit here and the case removes out. So if you need to have that much more power while you're traveling or whatever you're doing, it's held in by some screws here on the top and bottom, but then this whole section comes out. Here's some more details about the battery, and then we're gonna offer you to pause the video so you can read all the details for your own, but it'll also be in the description below the video as well. This is the amazing OmniCharge OmniUltimate battery with 38,400 milliamps of power. It has USB-C, USB-A, and DC options, as well as an AC power port. So you can run a lot of things off this one battery. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.